A big thank you to Union Bank of India and all the other partners for supporting this run. This is the Unity Run, the first edition of the Unity Run on the 75th anniversary of India's independence, to spread awareness of how important it is for each one of us, each citizen of our country, to actively work towards unity, peace and harmony. We are not going to achieve this unless we work towards it. Another thing we need to work towards, which we have learned during this pandemic, is to work towards our own health and fitness, to protect us against any uncertainty and unpredictability that life may bring. This is our responsibility as individual citizens. Take care of our own health and our own fitness to make India a healthy and fit country, the healthiest and fittest country in the world. Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
बोलो भारत माता की
जय!
बोलो भारत माता की
जय!